Hello guys, thank you for watching. Okay, let me just throw what happened to my camera. Okay, today I share to you how to ship this VCR, regular VCR, single tape, model Panasonic PV8450. Okay, my cost of this is $5, sell around 79. 79 ship or actual free shipping. Okay, so what you need is the cable, RCA cable, and for this one guys we're gonna use the 16 by 12 by 6. Okay, so there's a link description if you want to support the channel. You can order in there. It's a affiliate. It's my affiliate to Amazon. Yeah, I'll get a small commission for it, but it's up to you if you want to support or not. That's enough. That's okay. So we're gonna use this one, and we need our bubble wrap. Okay, so I use this one. So yeah, Q4 already, guys. So you need to have your stock ready already, right? So first, if you see my previous videos, the same process. I just share this one. It might gonna help you. Okay, so PV8450 Panasonic. Okay, so what I do, I double fold the face like that. Let me lower it down. There you go. So I double or triple that pad and put it like this. Okay, so maybe 2 or 3 roll should be fine. Okay, so that's enough. All right, so sounds okay. There you go, protected, and here you go. So let's tape this one. One more thing, ready your tape. Okay. So let's tape it. Tape the box. There you go. So it's taped already. We're gonna put our VHS or VCR. All right. Oops. Almost. So as you can see, it's very fit, right? So this is only for the single VHS only, not the combo. Okay, make sure it's not the combo. If the combo, you're gonna use the 18 by 12 by 6, or much better if you have the 20, 12, or 14 by 6. See, so if you have remote or manual, you can put it at the top. So for me at this time, just put this one because that's the only one I have. So tape. Okay, I'll put 3. Then next I put a fragile sticker. There. There, here, and also at the bottom, so just in case. just use the regular projects. I know it's a lot already, but mostly I just do like that. Mostly I tape here, 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 and here. So when they open it, right? So yeah, it's easy. So make sure you have okay. So this is just only short video. Make sure you have boxes ready, especially for Q4. Yeah, ready them, bubble wrap, and make sure you're updated also um, with the rate right now. Because the flat rate envelope right now it's the increase the price already. So hopefully you're updated and make sure you have enough supply. Okay, and yeah, list so you can have a lot of opportunity. You can sell your item. So make sure, yeah, again, this is the box size, 16 by 12 by 6, but mostly this is only for single VHS, the regular size. Okay, because there's a wider size that will not gonna fit here, or it will fit but you're gonna tear the box here and it doesn't look good. It's better for you to order the 18 by 14 by 6, or if you only want one size, you can do 20 by 14 by 6. That's a better one because at least you only have one box. But I know it's a little bit wider. It's a 4 inches difference than this one, but at least you only buy one size of box for VHS player, for the combo player. Sometimes it also for the amplifier or the receiver, it fits in there also. But mostly combo a wider size. Let's see. So, just an example. This one is a wider one, wider size, and also it's let me check. Wider. So this is, yeah, this is 17 already, plus your bubble wrap. I mostly add 1.5 or 2 inches, and also here 13, 14. So yeah, 14 is fine, or 15, but mostly if it's 14 you can have 1 inches extra in there, and the size will be, yeah, I mostly do 6. It's better that way. At least you have room to pack it and bubble wrap it nicely. Okay, so hopefully guys, yeah, it helps a little bit for you, and good luck on your Q4 and enjoy selling.